Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. So I have a power supply I bought used. It's a A1S62P or PN. This is the PN version, it's the newer version. Usually it's just the P. So I took it apart and everything. This is used. I'm not sure if this one even works because usually you do the sniff test and it doesn't smell so good. And if you see inside here, it's pretty cloudy. But that could just be dust. There's no fan on this or anything. So it kind of looks kind of bad over here. I do repairs on circuit boards, occasion soldering. So if you need something to be resoldered, you can send it to me and I can diagnose problems. I don't like that and that. So this basically converts 110 or 120 volt or 220 single phase to how many volts? Let me see. To 24 volts DC, and that's what this whole thing rides on. Some of these the outputs go to AC, I believe, on these outputs cards over here. So here's your transformer. Here's your so anyhow, it's kind of interesting stuff here going on. You always do the sniff test because then you could, electronics are always going to fail. So it's always good to have extras of things. So I'll test this out later to see if it works or not. And it could just be just from usage, but I think this one's bad. We'll see. So keep on watching and like my videos. I'll do some more and we'll see. Okay. Thank you. Bye.